Hey everybody, I welcome you all to my channel. So in this particular video, we are going to learn cabinet minister's name of 2021. So this is my channel, and if you want class 9 notes, then please subscribe my channel and go to my playlist where you find all the videos, all the notes of class 9s in a proper way. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get all the notification first. So let's start our today's topic, and today's topic is cabinet minister's name. I have already told you. So first one is, who is the petroleum and natural gas minister? If anybody asks you a question that who is the petroleum minister, you have to answer him Dharmendra Pradhan, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Okay, I want to tell you one more thing, that if you want to take name of a particular person, then you have to put before his name Mr. Okay, this is very important. If male is here, you have to put Mr., and if female is here, then you have to put Mrs. Okay, this is very important. And if you want to answer them in Hindi, you have to put Sri or Srimati. Okay, I hope this will clear you all. So let's move on our second minister, that is, who is the Ministry of Minority Affairs? Your answer would be Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Okay, so here, who is the parliamentary minister? If anybody asks you who is the parliamentary minister, you have to answer him Mr. Prahlad Joshi, and he is also Ministry of Coal and Minister of Mines. Okay, so who is the skill development and entrepreneurship? So your answer would be Dr. Mahendranath Pandey. Don't be confused about their names. This is very easy. If you read this one and two times, you will learn it very easily. And GK is my favorite subject and I like it most. If you like, then please comment me, so I will be upload many videos on this topic. Okay, so let's move on. Who is the animal husbandry, dairying and fisheries minister? So your answer would be Giriraj Singh. Okay, Mr. Giriraj Singh. Then who is the Jal Shakti minister? This is very important. Okay, I think so, because this question is very asked in all the exams, I think so. This answer would be Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Then who is the railway minister? It is very easy, I think. Okay, and who is the Minister of Commerce and Industry? He is also Mr. Piyush Goyal. He is here. He is smiling right now. Okay, and where who is the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas? I think I have already told you. Okay, so let's see. Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan is the Petroleum Minister of India. Okay, then who is the Minority Minister? Who is the Minority Minister of India? Then your answer would be Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Then let's move. Who is the Parliamentary Minister? And he is the Ministry of Coal also. So your answer would be Mr. Prahlad Joshi or Sri Prahlad Joshi. Okay, I like to answer all the questions in English, so that's why I put here Mr. and Mrs. You can also put, or you can also answer the questions in Srimati or Sri in Hindi. Okay, so here, who is the Women Child Development Minister? So your answer would be Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani. Okay, and he is also Ministry of Textiles. Then who is the Health and Family Welfare? Ministry of Science and Technology and Ministry of Earth and Science. Okay, so if anybody asks you that who is the health minister, you have to only learn that who is the health minister. So you can answer them it easily that Dr. Harshvardhan is the health minister of India. Okay, then who is the environment, forest, climate change minister? Okay, if anybody asks you that who is the environment, forest minister, then you have to answer that Mr. Prakash Javadekar is the environment minister. Okay, so here, who is the human resource development minister? Your answer would be Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. Okay, then let's move. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Who is the tribal minister of India? Your answer would be Mr. Arjun Munda. Okay, I hope this will clear you all one by one topic. Okay, then here, who is the external minister? Who is the external minister? So Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar is the external minister of India. Then who is the food processing industries? Who is the food minister of India? Your answer would be Srimati Harsimrat Kaur Badal, or you can say also Mrs. Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Then who is the minister of social justice and empowerment? Your answer would be Mr. Thawar Chand Gehlot. Okay, then who who is the agriculture and farmer welfare minister of India? Not in UP. Okay, don't be confused about it. I told you in India about India's minister, not only in UP. Okay, so who is the agriculture and farmer welfare minister? Your answer would be Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar. If anybody asks you that who is the agriculture, let me write this, who is the agriculture minister of UP? Okay, then your answer would be what? Your answer would be Mr. Surya Pratap Sahi. Okay, if anybody asks you that who is the agriculture minister of UP, not India, then you have to answer that Mr. Surya Pratap Sahi is the agriculture minister of UP. And if anybody asks you that who is the agriculture minister of India, then you have to answer that Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar. Then, and he is also Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Okay, so don't be confused about it. Then who is the law and justice minister? Okay, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. So if anybody asks you a question that who is the law and justice minister, you have to answer that Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad is the law and justice minister. And he is also Ministry of Communications, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology ministers. Okay, so let's move on. Here, who is the consumer affairs, food, a public distribution minister? Then you have to answer that Mr. Piyush Goyal. And I have already told about him that he is also a what? He is also a railway minister. Okay, don't be confused about it. And he is also a food and public distribution minister. Then who is the road and transport highways minister? If anybody asks you that who is the, this is important, who is the road minister of India, then you have to answer that Mr. Nitin Jairam Gadkari is the road minister of India. Remember that I have told you and I am telling you about India's minister, not UP. Okay, then he is also Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Okay, don't be learn about here, you have to only learn road and transport minister. Okay, so who is the minister of chemical and fertilizers? Who is the chemical and fertilizer minister? You have to answer that Mr. D.V. Sadananda Govada is the chemical and fertilizer minister. Then who is the defense minister of India? Who is the defense minister of India? Your answer would be Mr. Rajnath Singh. It is very, very important. And then last one is, who is the home minister of India? Who is the home minister of UP? What you have to do, you have to learn that Mr. Amit Shah is the home minister of India. Okay, so I think this is clear to you all, and you can learn it very, very easily if you read this 1 or 2 times. Okay, so I have completed this. Please comment me how is this video today, and please, again, I am going to tell you that if you like my videos, then don't forget to the like button, to subscribe my channel and share my channel to all your friends. Okay, so till there, take care, bye bye, see you in our next video.